This is a 7.4 practice. Number 14, we have kind of set up some equations to solve. We know that a plus 2 plus 3a is going to have to equal 10. So 4a subtract the 2 equals 8, therefore a equals 2. We know that 3z plus 1 plus 2z is equal to negative 14. So it's 5z, subtract your 1 is negative 15, so z equals negative 3. 5m plus 5m is equal to 80. So 10m is equal to 80, so m equals 8. Go to the k here. 8k plus 2k equals 10. So 10k divided by 10 by 10 by is 1. 0 plus 5 equals 5, and 3 plus 6 equals 9. To multiply by a scalar as a number out front just means it's kind of like distribute property. It would be AW, AX, AY, and AZ. Those are just letters I made up. It's like the distributive. Number 18, we're just adding these together, so they're 2 by 2 and 2 by 2, so we can add. So 9 plus negative 3 is 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4, and 2 plus 7 is 9. Whoops, this should be a negative 4. That's a negative 12. Okay, subtracting them here. Negative 1 minus negative 6 would be 6 minus 1 is 5. Negative 4 minus 9, negative 13. 2 minus negative 2 would be 4. Negative 3 minus 5 would be negative 8. Negative 8 minus negative 7 would be negative 1. 4 minus negative 12 would be 16. Number 22. 12 minus 6 is 6. Negative 5 minus 9 is negative 14. 10 minus negative 2 would be 12. 3 minus 0 is 3. Number 24, you can't. It's not possible. Okay, because this is a 2 by 1, and this is a 2 by 2. They're not the same size, so you cannot multiply them together. Number 26, 6 plus 3 is 9, and 13, subtracting negative 4. Negative 2 plus 0 is negative 2. Negative minus 2 would be negative 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 minus 0 is negative 1. 5 plus negative 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. Minus a negative 2 is 14. 1 plus 7 minus 4 is 3. 0 over 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 2 plus negative 2 is 0. Minus 0 is 0. 28, you could do it on your head. I'm just going to write it out. I'm going to multiply these through first. Negative 9, negative 24, 3, and 27. I'm going to add to that, multiply through. 20, negative 45, and 30. And I can add them together, so I get 11, negative 64, 8, 57. Okay, now I'm changing to multiplication. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 1 matrix. Remember, these have to be the same, which they are, so we're good. Our answer is going to be a 2 by 1 matrix. So it'll be 2 rows, 1 column. Okay, so I have to do this multiplying here. So I'm going to do negative 6 times negative 2. and plus 3 times 0, and plus 5 times 3. So it'd be 12 plus 0 plus 15 would be 27. Okay, second row, first column. So it'd be 2 and negative 2 plus 9 times 0 plus 1 times 3. It'd be negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Number 60 is a 2 by 2. Those numbers are the same. My answer is going to be a 2 by 2. Okay, so first row, first column, be negative 4 times negative 2, and 0 times 0. That and that would be 8. This one here, first row, second column, be negative 4 times 4, and then 1, 0 and 1 would be negative 16. This is the second row, so second row, first column. So 1 times negative 2 and 3 times 0, negative 2. Then second row, second column, 1 times 4 and 3 times 1 be 7. 62, I have a 2 by 3 and a 3 by 1. Insides are the same, so my answer is going to be a 2 by 1. Okay, so first row, first column, negative 9 times 2, 2 and negative 1, 1 and 4. It'd be negative 18 minus 2 plus 4 would be negative 16. And then this row, that column, so 3 times 2 is 6, and the others are going to be 0 times the other numbers. You get 6. Okay, 64. This is a 3 by 3 and a 3 by 3. So the insides are the same. We're good. My answer is going to be a 3 by 3. So this one's going to be a little bit more. A little bit bigger here. More numbers to multiply together. Okay, so first row, first column, negative 1 times 2, 2 times 0, and 0 times 3, which is negative 2. First row, second column, negative 1 and negative 1, 2 and 2, and 0 and 0. Be 1 and 4 make 5. Okay, first row, second column. So it'd be negative 2 and 2 and 0. Be 0. Okay, second row, first column, be 0 and 0 and 6. Second row, second column, be 0, 6, and 0. Third column, be 0, 3, negative 2. Okay, go to the third row, first column, 0, 0, 12. Go to the second column, 0, 2, and 0. Third column, 0, 1, and negative 4. Okay, so there's number 64. Number 66, I have a 1 by 3 and a 3 by 3. So insides are the same. My answer is going to be a 1 by 3. Okay, so first row, first column would be 0 and 0 and 4. First row, second column, 0, 12, -4. And then 0, 6, -16. Okay, a squared would mean we're multiplying it by itself, so it's a 2 by 2 times a 2 by 2, which my answer will be a 2 by 2. Okay, so first row, first column would be 16, -6. First row, second column would be -8 and -2. This is the second row, first column. It'll be 12 and 3. And then this one is going to be -6 and 1. Okay, number 79A. It tells us we have 3 locations. I'm going to say 1, 2, and 3. And they sell non-fat, regular, and super creamy. I know I would definitely go for the super creamy, even though it's not good for you. Okay, anyway. Location 1 sold 50 of the non-fat, 100 of the regular, and 30 of the super creamy. Location 2 was 10, 90, and 50. And location 3 was 60, 120, and 40. Okay, so there's your 3 by 3 matrix showing that. Okay, for part B, it says the income per gallon of none of those are 12, 10, and 15. So to write the matrix for that would be income of 12, 10, and 15. Part C is to find the multiplying together gives the average income for the 3 locations. So the non-fat, the regular, and the super creamy. Okay, so we're going to multiply these together. If we take A times B, so if this is matrix A, that's matrix B, right? Okay, so this is a 3 by 3. This is a 3 by 1. My answer is going to be a 3 by 1. So I would have 50 times 12 is 600, and then 100 times 10,000, and 30 times 15 is 450. So location A would be $2,050. Okay, location B. Okay, take this row, this column. So be 120 plus 900 and 750 plus the 900 plus the 120 gives you 1770. Okay, and location 3, that's 60 times your 12 gives you 720, and 1200, that times that, and then 40 times 15 gives you 600. Add those together, you get 2520. Okay, and then part D. the incomes for all three locations, would you just add those together? And you get $6,340 is the income for all three of them combined.